What's that little speck flying in front of me? All right, so Fenty Beauty came out. Oh, nope. Hey babes, how you doing? Welcome back to my channel. FM babe, it's good to see you again. Welcome home. Okay, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is MsTopacJay. If you had to subscribe, okay, and you've been watching videos but you're not subscribed, or this is your first time on this channel, just go ahead and subscribe now. I promise you, you will not regret it. Okay, and when you subscribe, be sure to turn on notification. That way you can be notified every single time a video goes up. Okay, and I promise you, you will not regret it. So as the babes can tell by the title of this video, we're going to be doing something a little bit creative. You know, my aim for this video is to try as much as possible to, you know, give you guys alternative to the new product that Fenty Beauty just launched recently. Okay, if you don't know what that is, Fenty Beauty came out with the body laver and a puff that we're not talking about the puff, we're mainly focused on the body laver. Okay, the body laver is supposed to give you like it's supposed to be for your body. You know, you apply it on your body, give your body some that nice shimmer, you know, so that way you can glow, like glow. So that way, like when you apply it on your body and you turn, people are gonna be like, whoa, I need my sunglasses, kind of thing, you know. But sweetie, if you've seen the products, you would have seen that it's expensive and I've got rent to pay. I felt like Fenty Beauty was saying, if you ain't got no money, take your broke some. Well, that's what I did. I took my broke bottom back to my living room, sat down and reevaluated my life, looked through my cupboard and picked these up. Okay, so no Fenty, no problem. Got diamond glow, you glow, girl. I got you. Okay. So as I was watching Jackie Aina's review on these products, the thing I kept thinking to myself, and I thought she would mention it, so maybe she didn't really think of it at the time, or maybe she just didn't want to mention it, and you know, because people can be weird, you know, so I get it. But literally as I kept watching it, I was like, yo, this reminds me of LaBronze and Le Peach. Literally, that's all I could think about. I mean, there might be a slight difference in the shades, but honestly, as she was applying it on the skin, I'm like, yo, it looks like Le Peach and LaBronze. So I just thought, I need to do a video for babes who are like me, who don't really want to buy the actual product. I mean, at least not for now. And they already have the glow powder or any other highlighting powder in your collection and whatnot. Okay, so that's what this video is going to be about. And I do hope you have these products. And if you don't, you can just grab any of the highlighter that you own. And I believe whatever it is we're going to do with this glow powders in today's video is going to work with your highlighters as well. Okay, all right, let's get started. So let's mainly work with LaBronze because I feel like that's the main color that majority of people have. I mean, correct me down below, but I feel like that's what people really gravitated towards when Jackie Aina came out with this in collaboration with Couture. Okay, so we're gonna start with that first. And as you guys can see, I'm giving you shoulder, girl. Okay, I'm giving you shoulder because it makes sense, you know. Hello. All right, so I don't know what's gonna happen, but I just know I've got my coconut oil here because it's quite important. That's all I can think about. To be honest with you guys, I don't have body lotion, which I should buy body lotion, but when I shower, I get so lazy that I just can't be bothered lotioning or creaming my body. So when I'm sitting down and I see my coconut oil, I just grab it and I moisturize my body with it, and that's not all the time. Actually, before this video, like a week or so ago and whatnot, I actually put the glow powder, you know, the LaBronze, in a setting mist, and I put it in a bottle, and I've been spraying this, you know, once in a while. Honestly, it just gives me that nice glow. Ooh, look at that. And I actually saw this idea on Jackie Aina's Twitter because someone else had done it, and then she retweeted it, and then I was like, whoa, that's a really good idea. So I started doing it, and look at how pretty that is. Look at this, girl, look at that. And when you spray it, ooh, my face. Ooh. And once it dries, it just has that like subtle glow. It's not fully dried yet, but once it fully dries, you will really see the specks. Okay, so I'm just gonna grab a little bit of the LaBronze and making sure I close it. And then I'm gonna grab my coconut oil. Okay. Oh Lord, I'm so weird. I just put my finger in the jar and I am going to mix it with LaBronze. Oh, look at this, look at this, look at this. Do you see this? Do you see how pretty that looks? Oh my Lord. I'm telling you, if you ain't got no Fenty, girl, just grab your highlighter in your collection and, you know, make it work, sweetie. I'm not saying you shouldn't buy Fenty. I love Rihanna, you know, but it's not all the time that we need to buy products just because our favorite celebrity came out with it. You know what I mean? And trust me, I did that with the foundation and the concealer stick, and I hardly use it. And I literally just gave away my foundation. Yeah, but I mainly bought it because I wanted to review it for you guys anyway, you know. So anyway, I've mixed it. Oh, you see, this is what I'm saying. Oh, I don't know if I said it to you guys earlier, but I was saying it before I came on camera. When I was watching Jackie Aina's video, literally, especially like when she was swatching the deeper shade, brown sugar, all I kept thinking was, it looks like LaBronze. Look at this. I'm gonna overlay Jackie Aina's video now so you can see the color side by side. Do you see this? Do you see this color? Doesn't it look similar, or if not the same, as the brown sugar shade, you know, that Fenty Beauty came out with? Look at this. Look at this. Do you see this? Let me reduce this light. Do you see this? Babe, do you see this? Oh, all right, let's put it on the shoulder, girl. Okay, so actually, Fenty Beauty actually came out. Hang on, I'm trying to pull my down. I'm not wearing a bra. I kept searching for it. I've been looking for my bra since yesterday and I cannot find it. It's just gone somewhere. I can't. I literally cannot. So everything is like going down when it's supposed to be up like this. Like, anyway, let's just move on. I'm tired. So Fenty Beauty actually came out with a brush to apply the product, like a body brush. I don't have that. So I'm just grabbing a brush. This is a little kabuki brush. This is a face brush. So I am just going to use it to grab LaBronze that's been, you know, doused with coconut oil, you know. I'm so excited. Oh wow, that's an ugly sound. All right, let's see what we're gonna get here. Okay, let's do it. I'm so excited. Are you guys ready? Oh, I've put a little bit on there. Oh no. Oh, that's an early release. Oh, we got too excited too quickly. Oh, that sounds really dirty. But anyway, let's just move on. Okay, let's see. Oh, I'm so excited. My body's shaking. Shaking. All right, let's see. Girl. All right, so I'm a little bit chunky, so we're not gonna really get a lot of bone, but I'm gonna try. Okay, there we go. Okay. All right, now. Ooh, go. Okay, let's go back here. I'm gonna need to shower tonight. Oh my Lord, I got tan. I don't think black people need tan, but this is telling me I need a tan. Whoa, I'm shocked. Shook is out, but I'm shocked. Oh, it's dried. Oh, okay. Let me just brush it out. And can I tell you, my shoulder smells of coconut oil right now. Guys, look at my body. I'm glowing. You see, do you see my body? Do you see my shoulder? You see shoulder? See shoulder? See shoulder, they glow. Wetin dey happen? See baby. You see glow? Okay, I want to take this wig off because it's pissing me off. It's getting in the way of my glow, and I'm a glow getter right now. But girl, look. And it's not just the coconut oil, but sweetie, we're glowing. Look. Do you see this? Okay. This side is dead. Let's just move away from that. But whoa. Okay. Now let's try and pop a bone, even though I can't. And to lose another 8 kilos to be able to pop a bone, I guess. But let's just pop. There we go. Okay, I need more. Oh, there we go. We got bone. I need an actual mirror. Oh. In real life, through this mirror, it looks better than it looks on camera right now. Come on. And in real life, you can see I applied a whole lot. Okay, I'm tired of trying to get a bone now. I can't. Okay. I'm telling you, if you don't have Fenty money and you go your glow powder or random highlighter, sweetie, you're gonna be good to go. For those who don't have the Artist Couture Glow Powder, if you just have a regular highlighting powder and whatnot, and you really want to try this, just grab your highlighting powder. Again, I haven't done this. Wow, I like how I just went in talking about it like I really know all about it. Like, that's a bunch of BS. But honestly, I just feel like it's going to work. You know what I mean? So let's just try this together, okay? So this is a regular highlighting powder in a pressed form. That's not in a loose form, okay? So I'm just going to scrape a little bit. Actually, maybe not scrape it. Actually, oh, look at my hand. Can you see it? Look at my hand. It's so pretty, so pretty. Okay, let's use the other hand. I'm not gonna scrape it off, actually. I'm just gonna moisturize my hand. So I just put my hand in the coconut oil. I mean, if you're not using your coconut oil, just use a moisturizer. I feel like that will work great as well. So just make sure my hand is, you know, my fingers are pretty saturated. And I'm just gonna, you know, grab the product like so. Look at that. Oh, oh, that's so pretty. Look at that. Oh my God, that's so pretty. Oh, and funny enough, the oil is not transferring onto the product at all, which is great. So I guess this is why it would be great to use more of a coconut oil or a clear oil kind of product. Okay, so now we're just gonna rub it, baby. You see? So if you've got pressed highlighter, it will still work for you. Oh, look at that. Oh, and imagine when you're in the sun and you just get like kissed by the sun. It will be a nice sun-kissed glow. Like, literally. Can you imagine that? Sweetie. Oh, guys. Imagine if I was going to the beach right now and I wanted to look glowy, I would do this. Oh, look at how I'm glowing. Do you see how I'm glowing? Look, man. Look, man. Look at this. Do you see that glow? This wasn't there at the beginning of the video. Oh. Ugh. I really like how I'm glowing right now, and I could do this just by using the products I already own. And I feel like I do have similar, if not the same glow that Jackie and I, you know, was able to achieve by using the Fenty Beauty Body Illuminizers. You know what I mean? So yeah, what do you guys think? Comment down below, okay? So I hope this video helped you. I hope you were able to get some tips in this video, you know, learning that you can use your pressed highlighter on your body and all that. It's safe, it's fine, you know, as long as you have a shower later on, you'll be okay. And I mean, like, if you do this, you gotta be like mindful of your clothes. Like, don't really wear white because the color will kind of transfer onto it, because this kind of method is not really transfer proof. And the Fenty Beauty Body Laver, Jackie and I said, some say it transfers, and when she did it, she said it didn't transfer. So, you know, yeah. So anyway, that's all I have for you guys today. As I said earlier, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for clicking this video. And as always, whatever you do, remember to love yourself, live within your means. I love you guys so much. I'll see you guys very, very soon. Love you, fam, babe. Bye.